Good morning, guys. It is Thursday, January 21st. We are going to go over our warm-up, then I'm going to walk you through our work for today. So today's warm-up question is, what does the DNA molecule look like? So this is just tell me what that DNA strand looks like. I will give you one of the answers. A DNA strand or this DNA molecule is called a double helix. So what else or what other answer I want you to provide is like, what does that represent or what is it related to? You can look back at your 3.5 notes. You can look at your 3.5 review as well. But besides it being called a double helix, what similar thing does it represent or what does it look like? Once you're done with today's warm-up, we're going to jump over to Schoology and walk through what we're doing today. All right, if you go to Schoology and you go to today's folder, today we are taking our 3.5 quiz, and then you guys have Chapter 4 key terms to start. So if you click on today's folder, our quiz is in Schoology. You should get a grade right away. I will go through though and double check grades because of a few questions. They might need changed a little bit. But then you have your key term assignment as well. So for the quiz, when you click on that, it'll have you start the attempt. But I wanted to walk you through the questions quick. So you have 14 questions. It is 33 points. It's ordering, matching, true and false, and then multiple choice. For these ordering questions, it's very important that you put your answers in the correct order in order to get the full points. Okay, so this one question is to put the stages of the cell cycle in the correct order from start to finish. You will notice that the first stage is interphase and then the last stage is cytokinesis. So I already gave you two of your answers. You need to correctly order then the stages of mitosis. Your matching is going to be a summary of what happens in each stage of the cell cycle. So make sure you understand what happens in each stage. This other big question that's ordering is to complete a new strand of DNA through DNA replication. So what you're doing, I already gave you a parent strand, and you need to create the other side. So this was similar to your warm-up from Monday, where you had to match the next side. So remember that A always goes along with T, and C always goes along with G. So this is your parent strand. You need to put in order what the new strand would be. So to give you a clue, starting off, my new strand would start with T, A, A, and then I would continue on. Okay? Then you have more true and false, multiple choice, and then that is it. So please make sure you are taking your time on the quiz. I am giving you the chance to use your review with this quiz, so you should do well if you take your time. Yesterday, there was a review check, so you should have checked your answers to make sure everything was good to go. Please make sure when you take your quiz that you complete all of the questions and then you submit your quiz as well so that I can receive your score and check it. Once you're done with the quiz, then you have your Chapter 4 key terms. If you click on that assignment, it'll open it up and you have your doc that you'll open up and make a copy of. So Chapter 4 is a new section that we're starting. And if you open that up, it will take you to this worksheet, and you guys are going to use the Chapter 4 sections, or you can use the glossary in our textbook folder as well, just to kind of find those answers and match the terms. So once this loads, what you're going to do is you have 11 clues, And then there's a word bank here that has the key terms that you need to match with the clues. Okay, so if you want to just use the glossary instead of trying to flip through all 4 sections, you can look up these key terms and then match them with the definition. And what you're going to do then is once you know what answer goes with the clue, you're going to type that answer into these boxes. So as an example, question or clue 1 is the process by which the number of chromosomes is reduced by half in the sex cells in our organisms. So clue 1 is going to be meiosis. So I'm going to type in that whole word, 1 letter per box, and it would look like that. Then that is my answer to question 1, and I would go through and answer the rest of the clues and type in my words. Then the letters that are in the yellow box, just answer the question of what Gregor Mendel studied. Once you're done with these key terms, please make sure you submit them. We will do a check of the key terms tomorrow, so Friday, but this is graded, so please make sure that you get them done and turned in as well. If you have any questions about the quiz or anything with your key terms, please email me. Remember, today is the last day of the marking period, so you need to make sure you're getting this quiz done and getting any final work turned in. Have a good day, guys.